Object-oriented programming, ABBR. OOP is a programming methodology based on representing a program as a set of interacting objects, each of which is an instance of a certain class, and classes form an inheritance hierarchy. 2. Ideologically, OOP is an approach to programming as to the modeling of information objects, solving at a new level the main task of structural programming, structuring information from the point of view of controllability, which significantly improves the controllability of the modeling process itself, which, in turn, is especially important when implementing large projects. 3. Manageability for hierarchical systems involves minimizing data redundancy, similar to normalization, and their integrity. So, what is created conveniently manageable will also be conveniently understood.
4. Thus, through the tactical task of manageability, the strategic task is solved to translate the understanding of the task by the programmer into the most convenient form for further use. 5. The main principles of structuring in the case of OOPRE are related to various aspects of the basic understanding of the subject matter, which is required for the optimal management of the corresponding model. 6. Abstraction for highlighting in the modeled subject what is important for solving a specific problem on the subject. Ultimately, the contextual understanding of the subject, formalized in the form of a class. 7. Encapsulation for fast and safe organization of proper hierarchical manageability, so that a simple, what-to-do command is enug, without simultaneously specifying exactly how to do it, since this is already a different level of management.
8. Inheritance for quick and safe organization of related concepts, so that it is enough to take into account only changes at each hierarchical step, without duplicating everything else taken into account in previous steps. 9. Polymorphism to determine th, which it is better to parallelize a single control or, vice versa, to put it together. 10. That is, in fact, we are talking about a progressive organization of information according to primary semantic criteria. 11. Important unimportant key detail. Parent-child, single-multiple. 12. Progression, in particular, at the last stage makes it possible to move to the next level of detail, which closes the overall process. 13. Ordinary human language as a whole reflects the ideology of the OOP, starting with the encapsulation of the idea of an object in the form of its name and ending with the polymorphism of using the word in a figurative sense, which ultimately develops the expression of the representation through the name of the object to a full-fledged class concept.